Hey guys, Julie Willits here from juliewillits.com. Today we're going to talk about how to create a thumbnail for your YouTube video. And actually there's lots of different things that you can do with this free software, which is called Canva. And you would just go and create an account at canva.com, and you actually can use social media, Facebook covers, a post, you can create logos, but today we're going to focus on the YouTube thumbnail. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so by hitting the subscription and also the notification bell, because when I do upload new content, then you will get notifications that it's out there. So here you have different templates that you can actually pick from. It is the exact right size. You don't have to really do anything with it. And we'll just use, I've used this one quite a bit actually. You can take your own personal pictures. So say I took this and I drag it. This picture is not really that great for the sizing, but it'll work. And then you can change your text. You can actually change the font here. And then you can also change the size of the font. So here we can, let's just pick this one. And then you can put whatever you would like in here as your title. So I'm doing the Canva tutorial today. So we can put that in there. So obviously it's too big. So I need to decrease the font, the size of the font. So let's go down here. And then we'll get rid of this. We don't want to create perfect long lashes today. I guess I should know how to spell Canva. And there you have it. And this, I mean, you could get rid of this at the bottom down here. If you wanted to, you could put your actual website in there if you'd like. I usually do that. I usually add in there juliewillits.com, just, you know, because you want it to be able to stand out from other people. And when you're doing this, I mean, you can use some little crazy pictures, and you can add little elements in there. They have free photos, they have grids, they have frames, illustrations you can add on there. I mean, you can get very creative with Canva, and the sky's the limit. It just depends on what you want it to look like, you know. I don't spend a lot of time on my thumbnails, but you want it to be attractive. Your thumbnail is going to be one of the things that is going to be eye-catching on your YouTube channel. People that are going to notice that are actually going to want to click on your video. So, I mean, this is something that you need to keep in mind, that having a decent thumbnail actually may attract more subscribers and more watch time to your channel. So I hope that this makes sense to you, I mean, you really just kind of got to go in there and play around with it and see what works for you, what you like. You know, you can upload some of your pictures. Doesn't have to be anything of you. You can upload any picture and add it on as a thumbnail, and just be creative. Add that thumbnail on to your video though, because it really is important. So don't forget, if you got some value here, I want you to hit the subscribe button and that notification bell. And I will put the information in the description as far as the website for Canva. It's pretty easy, of course, it's canva.com. And I will see you guys on the next video. All right, bye now.